Samsung is gearing up for the launch of a lot of new products, and the company is showing off its new bioactive health sensor for the upcoming Galaxy Watch 7 and Watch Ultra, which features a potentially useful new function. The company also teases that this is just the first of many new features planned for Galaxy Watch models equipped with this new sensor. As detailed in a post, Samsung is launching a new generation of its bioactive health sensor in the next Galaxy Watch. That's the Galaxy Watch 7 series, as well as the Galaxy Watch Ultra, as leaks have told us are coming. The new sensor both improves the reception of existing photodiodes, as well as adding new LEDs that emit blue, yellow, violet, and ultraviolet light. With this improved hardware, the sensor is capable of improving its tracking of existing metrics, such as heart rate and blood oxygen levels. Samsung says the new sensor is as much as 30% more accurate compared to the sensor found on Galaxy Watch 6 and earlier models. But those upgrades also enable new functionality. The first of the new features coming to Galaxy Watch with this new bioactive health sensor is support for an advanced glycation end products, that is AGES index. This will give users a better indicator of their metabolic health through tracking AGES in their system. AGES, as Healthline explains, are compounds that result from glycation in the bloodstream and can also form in foods during cooking. In high quantities, these compounds can build up in your system and can contribute to harmful conditions such as high blood pressure, heart disease, diabetes, and more. AGES are also considered by some medical professionals as a marker of a person's overall health. Samsung says that the AGES index is planned for its upcoming Galaxy Watch models, but it sounds like it might not be available at launch. The feature's availability may also depend on region, as is often the case with new health features. A Reddit user named Engineer shared a couple of screenshots showcasing the sleep apnea feature after installing the latest Samsung Health Monitor app update. The user further noted that they are enrolled in the Samsung One UI Watch 6 beta program, which is available for the Galaxy Watch 4, Galaxy Watch 5, and Galaxy Watch 6 series. This means that the latest sleep apnea feature isn't available on Galaxy Watches running One UI 5 Watch. According to the screenshots shared by the user, to use the feature, a user needs to wear a watch while sleeping for 2 nights. During this time, the watch will track the user's sleep for a minimum of 4 hours each night, monitoring decreases in blood oxygen levels. After 2 nights, the sleep apnea feature will turn off automatically and will offer the user the result, which includes details about the likelihood of moderate to severe sleep apnea. The Galaxy Watch 7 and Galaxy Watch Ultra are both expected to come with the latest sleep apnea feature out of the box, since they require One UI 6 watch, which is what both the upcoming smartwatches are expected to come equipped with. The Galaxy Watch Ultra will be coming with Bluetooth plus 4G connectivity in a dial size of 47 mm, with no Bluetooth-only model. The color options: titanium gray with orange strap, titanium silver with black strap, and titanium white with white strap. The battery capacity will be 590 mAh with a titanium case finish. The Galaxy Watch Ultra will also feature the Exynos W1000 chipset. Samsung's next Unpacked event is set for July 10th today in Paris. In conjunction with the Summer Olympics, the event will be live-streamed on Samsung.com, Samsung Newsroom, and Samsung's YouTube channel at 6 a.m. PDT, 9 a.m. EDT, and 3 p.m. CEST. Stay tuned for more updates, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for the latest in tech news. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.